Imagine launching a 100 product store and needing unique SEO optimized descriptions for every item. Normally that's days or weeks of work. But what if you could generate all of it in minutes without writing a single line? That's what Hypotenuse AI promises. Today, I'll show you whether it delivers on that promise and whether it's actually worth your money. Hypotenuse AI is an AI-powered platform built primarily for e-commerce and content-heavy businesses. On the surface, it offers tools to generate product descriptions, write SEO-optimized blog posts, create marketing copy, and even enrich and standardize product data. It aims to streamline workflows, letting you bulk generate content, keep brand voice consistent, and reduce time spent writing and editing. Whether you run a store with hundreds of items, manage content for blogs, or just want to scale marketing copy, Hypotenuse AI positions itself as an all-in-one solution. On G2, Hypotenuse AI has a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on user reviews. Users consistently praise it for saving huge amounts of time, producing high-quality, SEO-friendly content, and being a game changer for e-commerce and blog-driven websites. Some say it's the best assistant a writer could ever have, noting that it dramatically speeds up content creation. On the downside, a few users mention repetition in longer content, and some feel the output occasionally needs editing or more detail depending on the topic. So now let's discuss the core features one by one. So first, let's talk about documents. It allows you to speed up writing and generate full articles using AI. To get started, you select documents and then provide a clear prompt describing what you want the AI to write. The more specific your instructions, the better the output. You can write an article about any topic, for example, a how-to guide on writing convincingly. You can also enable SEO Pro mode to include keywords for better search visibility. You can select your preferred tone, length, and the number of titles you want the AI to generate. Once you generate a title, Hypotenuse AI automatically creates an outline for the article. After reviewing and finalizing the outline, you can instruct the AI to expand it into a full article, paragraph by paragraph, or generate the complete piece in one go. This workflow makes it easy to produce high-quality structured content quickly while also optimizing for SEO and tone. So that was the feature of documents creation. Now let's talk about captions from images or text. So the second important feature of Hypotenuse AI lets you generate engaging social media captions using either images or text. You can upload an image directly or simply describe what your post is about in the text box. For example, you could type floaty flora bloom maxi dress. You can also add keywords to guide the AI. For instance, Luxco specializes in airy wedding-ready outfits at an affordable price. Then choose your preferred tone, such as conversational, professional, or playful. You can also set the number of drafts you want the AI to generate, and once you provide the input, Hypotenuse AI creates captions tailored to your content style and audience. This makes it fast and easy to generate high-quality social media copy without manually brainstorming each post. So that was the feature of captions from images or text. So now let's talk about meta titles and description. So this feature is designed to help you create SEO-optimized metadata for your website quickly and efficiently. This is especially useful if you manage multiple pages and want to ensure each page ranks better on search engines. To use this tool to provide the primary keyword you want to target, the web page URL, and any additional detail about the page or content. And once you input this information, Hypotenuse AI generates meta titles and descriptions tailored to your keyword and page content. This bulk tool allows you to optimize multiple pages at once, saving time while improving your website's search visibility. It's ideal for e-commerce stores, blogs, and content-heavy websites that need consistent, high-quality metadata for SEO. So those were some of the core features. Now let's discuss who benefits the most out of this tool. So Hypotenuse AI works best for e-commerce store owners and dropshippers, especially with large catalogs needing hundreds of descriptions, content-heavy websites, blogs, and affiliate marketers, freelance writers, marketers, and digital agencies, small to medium businesses with dedicated copywriting teams, and even seeking to scale content production without sacrificing too much time or effort. But since no tool is perfect, there's some areas of improvement, such as for long-form or niche topics, outputs sometimes feel a bit generic or formulaic. Pricing and limits can be restrictive for small users or those outside high-income regions. SEO tools and integrations are decent, but not best in class. Customization for brand voice can require manual polishing. If you rely on visuals or media too, the built-in image generation or media tools are limited compared to dedicated design tools. Hypotenuse AI offers integration with e-commerce platforms and PIM systems, allowing businesses to link their catalog or data and bulk generate content without manual copy-paste. There's no explicit public affiliate program yet widely advertised. Though many SaaS tools run private, referral, or partner program may need inquiry. If you manage an e-commerce site, run a content-heavy platform, or simply need high-quality copy at scale, Hypotenuse AI is one of the strongest tools available. It delivers real value, time-saved, consistent quality, scalability, and SEO-friendly content. It's not perfect. Longer or highly creative content may need editing, and pricing might feel heavy for small users. But for businesses or creators serious about scaling content or products, Hypotenuse AI is definitely worth testing. So if you want to try this tool out, I have included the link in the description below. And with that, that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.